Hello beauties, it's CC Clarke Beauty here and I'm so excited as today I'm going to bring you a makeup tutorial creating a flawless face of makeup with a pop of colour, and Space NK have all the products you need to personalise your look for spring 2018. So let's get right into it. First of all, I've primed and moisturised my skin using the Sunday Riley CEO Protect and Repair Moisturiser. Love that. And I'm now going to go straight in with my foundation. I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I'm just going to take 2 pumps, actually 4 pumps, onto my dampened beauty blender, and I'm just going to start blending this in all over my face. I absolutely love this foundation, honestly. It just goes on like a dream. I've actually got quite a bit of redness on my skin today. Look, you can see on this side it's like red and blotchy, and this side is just like flawless. Oh, so satisfying applying foundation, isn't it? I'm going to take 1 more pump onto my beauty blender and just concentrate on the parts that I would usually conceal, like under my eyes. This is quite a light shade. This is the shade Fiji, and it's quite a medium coverage foundation, so I'm going to build it up to be a full coverage concealer in the places I want to concentrate on. So now I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Truffle to just create some contours and warm my face up. And now I'm looking super crazy. I'm going to blend it all in with a beauty blender. Don't ever forget that jawline, it's very important. Erase the double chin away. So this step has really warmed my face up and brought it to life a lot more, as well as creating the contours that I wanted. And now I'm going to take my translucent powder by Laura Mercier. I'm just going to pick up some of that powder with my beauty blender and just set the areas that I don't want to crease, such as under my eyes, my laughter lines, and any other areas that get a little bit oily, like your T-zone, maybe your chin. This powder also will illuminate and brighten the under eyes, and it can sharpen your contour as well if you place it just under your cheekbone. So now I've applied the translucent powder, I'm actually going to move on to the eyes now, because any fallout from the shadows will be swept away with the translucent powder and won't cling to your skin. And I am so excited to show you this beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow palette by Kevyn Aucoin. It's the Electro Pop eyeshadow palette by Kevyn Aucoin. So gorgeous, and look at all of those shades. These shades are literally going to make your makeup pop this spring. I want to create a look and inspire you to create a look that empowers and uplifts you this spring. So let's have a look at these beautiful colours. What am I going to use? So first I'm going to take the shade Charge, and just by using a fluffy brush I'm going to kind of pat this into my crease. And this is like a beautiful metallic stone colour, which is so gorgeous. I'm continuing to buff that into my crease, occasionally sweeping it underneath my lower lash line. And then with that same brush I'm going to take the shade Heat, which is a beautiful ruby metallic colour, and I'm going to concentrate on the outer corner of my socket and blend from the outer corner in to create some warmth and start to make your eyes pop. So this palette is actually an exclusive launch with Space NK, and I just know already I'm going to be reaching for it all spring and summer. The colours are just like so vibrant. And then with a small smudging brush I'm going to take the shade Blackout and just stamp that on to my outer lash line to create a kind of sultry, smoky, almond shaped eye. It kind of wings it out a little bit. I am going to use some eyeliner too. I've just gone from halfway across my eyelid to the outer corner, and I've avoided going underneath my lash line as well. And I'm going to take my fluffy brush and just blend that all in together so it looks a lot more seamless. Now with a small flat concealer brush I'm going to take that gorgeous silvery shade, which is called Light, and just illuminate the inner corners by the tear ducts and then on my brow bone as well, and that will lift the brows and add more dimension too. So now I'm going to create a pop of turquoise by mixing the shades Amp and Hardware together, and I'm going to use that same small concealer brush and just kind of apply this along my bottom lash line. This part will really make your eyes pop if they're blue, and if they're hazel or brown. I always find that these shades bring out different tones in your eyes, which is so beautiful. Now I'm happy with that blend and the pop of colour I've created. I'm going to use the Hourglass waterproof liquid liner. I'm going to create a nice sharp wing that isn't too extreme but elongates my eye. Tell you what, this eyeliner is so intensely black and so precise, creates the most sharp wing. I'm so happy with this wing. I have to say that this eyeliner is probably the best one I've tried in a long time. Now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Mahogany Brown Tight Line Eyeliner, just a hard angled brush, and I'm just going to take this into my waterline, and I'm also going to sweep this through my brows. I do love a good multi-purpose product. To complete this creative eye look, I'm going to use the By Terry mascara. It's the new Lash Expert Twist Brush, which I'm excited to try. The wand is so big and it looks like it's really combing through my lashes and lengthening and volumizing them. Wow, this is making my eyelashes look so long. Wow, look at the difference. Now I'm going to go ahead and do exactly the same on the other eye. Okay, so now the eyes are done and I'm really happy with them, I'm just going to sweep away the translucent powder that I left there to set, and this will also sweep away any of the fallout from the eyeshadows just so flawlessly. And then just a few more steps and we are done. So next I'm going to take my NARS Laguna bronzer, which is a perfect contour shade as well, and I'm just going to sweep this in the contours of my face in like a number 3 motion. So I'm going to concentrate on my cheekbones, my jawline, and then bronze my forehead too. This is just the perfect shade to add dimension because it hasn't got very many orange pigments in it, so that means that you're going to create the shadows and really sculpt your face. Before moving on to the lips, I'm going to create a highlight and blush using the Electro Pop eyeshadow palette by Kevyn Aucoin, and I'm going to use the shades Beam and Laser to create a pinky gold glow. Wow, that adds such a fresh and dewy glow, which is perfect for spring, just what we want. Now onto my favourite part, the lips. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks in the shades Fresh and also Goals. Oh my gosh, I'm totally in love with this look that I've created. It makes me feel so vibrant and fresh. We can leave it here if we want to. However, I do want to add one more little twist to this look. By using the Cover FX, these are beautiful, the Cover FX glitter drops, and this is in the shade Mirage. They are so gorgeous, you can customise them any way you want to. And I'm going to apply them to my tear ducts, brow bones, and also to add a little bit of shimmer for the lips. And this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I hope that you've enjoyed this, lovelies, and I hope that I've inspired you to get creative, express yourself using some vibrant colours and products this spring. Please be sure to subscribe to Space NK's YouTube channel as well as mine, CC Clarke Beauty, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.